Hello and welcome to today's session. This session focuses on learning outcome 2 LO2. Understand the underlying principles, rights, and regulations of international sales contracts. International trade relies on clearly defined contractual frameworks that regulate the rights and obligations of parties operating across different legal systems. In this video, we explore the core principles of international sales contracts, examining the key elements and regulations that govern these agreements. You will gain insight into the role of international trade law and understand how these legal frameworks shape and support global commerce. Understanding the components of a sales contract is crucial. In the UK, the Sale of Goods Act and Consumer Rights Act guide these contracts. Key elements include offer and acceptance, capacity, and intention. Consideration and legality are also vital. These ensure contracts are binding and enforceable. The subject of a sales contract must be goods. It defines the transfer of ownership from seller to buyer. The risk transfer is also crucial. Contracts must comply with statutory requirements. This ensures clarity in rights and obligations. International sales contracts involve parties from different countries. The CISG provides a uniform legal framework. It governs rights and obligations in these contracts. Sellers must deliver goods as per contract. Buyers must pay and inspect goods. Sellers must deliver goods and transfer property. Goods must meet quality and description standards. Disclosure of relevant facts is essential. Failure to meet obligations can lead to disputes. Sellers must be aware of their duties. Buyers must pay for goods as agreed. They have the right to inspect upon arrival. Acceptance is required if goods conform. Non-conformity must be reported. Understanding these duties is vital for buyers. Contracts outline remedies for breaches. Sellers can demand payment or cancel contracts. Buyers can seek repair or replacement. Jurisdiction clauses are crucial for resolving disputes. The CISG offers a framework, but parties can choose specific laws. Contracts specify who bears risk at each stage. Incoterms define shipping and insurance obligations. Cultural differences can affect contract interpretation. Liability limitations and force majeure clauses are common. Understanding these mitigates risks. The validity of contract terms is crucial. Compliance with governing laws is necessary. Clarity and legality ensure enforceability. Capacity and authority of parties are essential. Proper drafting minimizes disputes. Contracts should align with trade norms. Incoterms define delivery responsibilities. Key clauses include dispute resolution and force majeure. Compliance with export regulations is vital. These enhance contract validity. Online contracts introduce unique challenges. Jurisdiction and applicable law are complex. Electronic signatures are widely recognized. Authentication and security are crucial. Data protection laws must be considered. Online contracts cross cultural boundaries. Clear terms and translations are essential. Technology reliability affects contract execution. Consumer protection laws vary internationally. Proper documentation is crucial for enforcement. Online contracts may involve multiple tax jurisdictions. Understanding obligations like VAT is essential. Compliance avoids legal complications. Proper record-keeping supports dispute resolution. Awareness of taxation impacts contract execution. In conclusion, properly drafted contracts play a crucial role in facilitating smooth global trade by clearly defining parties' rights and obligations, reducing legal uncertainty, and minimizing the risk of cross-border disputes. For any queries, send us a WhatsApp message at 0748-436-1688 and a team member will be happy to help. Thank you, and we look forward to the next session.